The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Du Bois County in south-central Indiana until 9:45 p.m. At 8:59 p.m., a tornado-producing storm was located near Linville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Du Bois County, including the following locations: Duff, St. Mark's, Ferdinand, Huntingburg Airport, St. Anthony, Millersport, Britsville, Maltersville, Huntingburg, and St. Henry. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following county: Du Bois, Indiana,